Dear enthusiasts, prepare to dive into the world of the most audacious muscle SUV of the decade. The 2027 Dodge Durango R T392 isn't just an evolution, it's a statement of power, style, and character. Under its hood roars the legendary 392 Hemi V8, the ultimate symbol of American performance. This engine doesn't just propel the Durango, it unleashes raw energy, a sound that resonates with the soul of motor enthusiasts. Every acceleration is an adrenaline rush, every turn a demonstration of control and confidence. Gear design and presence. Its muscular profile, imposing grille, and aggressive lines convey a pure muscle car attitude, but adapted to the versatility of an SUV. The distinctive LED headlights, wide stance, and performance-inspired exterior details give it a commanding presence on the road. It's a vehicle that never goes unnoticed, it commands respect and embodies power at every moment. Automobile performance and technology. The Durango R T3922027 combines precision engineering with modern technology. Its 8-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive system, and dynamic tuning deliver a smooth, stable, and responsive ride, whether on the highway or around a tight corner. It's the perfect fusion of muscle car and SUV, pure performance and everyday comfort. Checkered flag and immersive experience. In this exclusive video, discover the Durango in action, dynamic shots and driving sequences that reveal its natural power. Detailed drive-bys and exterior angles to appreciate every curve and every detail. A visual and auditory presence that immerses you in the heart of the Dodge experience. The Durango R T3922027 is more than just an SUV, it's a driving philosophy, an affirmation of freedom and power. White right pointing backhand index. If you love vehicles that combine power, style, and emotion, this video is for you. Join the Molecar's community to experience automotive passion in a whole new way, where performance meets design, and where every engine tells a story. Subscribe now so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews, comparisons, and exclusive reveals about the icons of the future of motoring. Rock it! Thanks for watching and stay tuned. 2 hearts. I love you guys. 2 hearts.